Hello, my pretty little babies. Today we will learn about body parts in English. Let's start. This is our head. Say with me, head. We use our head to think, learn, and play. It's like a tiny computer inside us. Say with me, head. This is eyes. Eyes helps us to see the colorful world around us. Without eyes, we can't see the rainbow or mommy's smile. You love mommy? If yes, please like this video and subscribe. This is nose. We smell our nose. Food, flowers, and yummy chocolate. The nose helps us find where the delicious smell is coming from. Say with me, nose. This is ear. We hear music, stories, and sounds with our ears. Our ears helps us listening when the teacher called our name. Say with me, ear. This is mouth. We talk, eat, and laugh with our mouth. Our mouth helps us sing songs and tell fun stories. Say with me, mouth. This is hand. We use our hands to write, draw, and play. Let's give a high five with our magic hands. Give a high five. Yes, good job, kiddos. This is our legs. We run, dance, and jump with our legs. Say with me, leg. Without legs, we can't even play football or race with friends. Say with me, legs. This is fingers. We use our fingers to point, paint, and type on our phone. Our fingers make all the fun things happen. Say with me, finger. This is stomach. Our stomach stores all the tasty food we eat. If we didn't have a stomach, where would we keep our favorite pizza? Yes, say with me, stomach. Oh, this is teeth. We use teeth for chewing food and smile bright with our teeth. Without teeth, we couldn't eat candy or apples. You love apples? Oh, if yes, like this video. So, kiddos, today we will learn body parts name in English. Okay? So, it's your turn right now to keep it learning and keep it practicing. Okay? So, if you love this video, please give a like and subscribe for more fun learning videos like this. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.